Stop scrolling for just 10 seconds, because what I'm about to tell you might explain why you can't stop scrolling at all. Think about it. You open Instagram or YouTube Shorts just to check one post, and suddenly 30 minutes are gone. It's not your fault. Social media is designed to control your brain. Every swipe, every notification, every sound. It's like a slot machine tricking your mind to keep chasing the next hit of dopamine. Solution, part 1. So here's the first fix. Set friction. Move your social media apps into a hidden folder or log out after each use. Why? Because when your brain has to do a little extra work, the impulse fades. This small barrier can save you hours. Solution part 2. And second, replace the scroll. Next time you feel the urge to scroll, replace it with a 5-minute walk, writing a quick note, or even listening to a song. Your brain still gets stimulation, but this time, it's in your control, not theirs. If you're still here, it means you're serious about breaking free. So here's a challenge. Hit subscribe right now and consider it your first small step towards taking your mind back. Don't just scroll past. Take control.